Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free gems on the Athene app, which you can convert to the Athene tokens. Before the video starts, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and comment any questions that you have. And be sure to scan the QR code on screen or type in my referral code into your app so you can make 100,000 gem free bonus. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do while on the home page of your Athene app, if you go to the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll see a treasure chest. So you can go ahead and click it. And as you can see, it can either give you a random mining booster or it can give you free gems. Just go ahead and press confirm to claim them. From there, you're going to want to click on the button where it says streak and press receive with the amount of gems that it says. As you can see at the top of my screen, it says congratulations, you have successfully collected the gems. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to navigate to the bottom of our screen and press mining. From here, we're going to press start mining, and it's going to immediately collect all the gems that we've mined and start a new mining session. As you can see, congratulations, we've accepted the gems. Let's move on to the next step. You're going to go to the bottom of the screen and you're going to press quest. Here at the top of the screen, you'll notice there is a daily check-in, and you can claim this every single day. So be sure to click it and press get rewarded. You're immediately going to receive the 20,000 gems. If you scroll down, you can see I've already completed the rest of the quests here. But if you follow them on YouTube, if you're a user that uses the app multiple times, and if you follow them on X, you can get millions and millions of gems. Another thing that you can do at the top of the screen, if you see where it says complete sponsored quests for unlimited rewards, you can go ahead and press go and click Hexobank. From here, it'll show you 3, which I've already completed. If you click them and you go and follow their X or their Telegram groups and channels, you can get up to 900,000 gems. And those are all the ways to get free gems on the Athene Network app. Happy mining and good luck to everyone.